Hi, my name is Norma. My team and I love that you've booked the reservation with us, and we're so excited to have you. What I love best about our resort is the feel. When you drive in, it feels like you're in the wilderness. We have a number of oak trees and mesquite trees throughout the park that hover over the sites. It's nice to have these trees around during the summer because it's really helpful just to sit outside and enjoy the day under the trees and the breeze. One of the things I enjoy doing is kicking back by the pool. The atmosphere is nice. We have activities by the pool as well, especially during the summer. Music's always going on. The kiddie pool is great for the children. They love playing in it. Adjacent to the pool, we have our playground area. You just want to hang out, have a picnic out there with the kids or the family, you're more than welcome to. And if you just want to get out of the heat, the clubhouse is also just next door to the pool. We have card games, potlucks, and karaoke. Our workout room, we have a standalone bike, treadmill, and then we have the free weights. There's so much to do in San Antonio, including the Riverwalk. We have SeaWorld that's 15 minutes away, and we also have Six Flags, Legoland, we have museums, the zoo. And don't forget to come visit the Alamo. If you would like information on local attractions, come by the office. The staff is more than happy to help. Throughout our resort, you'll find friendly, welcoming staff members just like Thea. Let us help you find your sunnier side.